All right, Manib. So it's been a bit since we were using the real estate master sheet. We had one before. I created a new one. So just going back to this, we used to use this real estate database, offers made. Um, so that's kind of old data since we've been out of the game for a month. This is a good time to kind of switch over to a new database moving forward for 2021. So I created a new one. I sent you a link. Just ignore this one. We're not going to use it anymore. So that'll fall down to the wayside. I mean, I thought about deleting it, but we might want that data for some reason. And then here is our new spreadsheet. So like before, anytime this is just an example. So I download a few properties, and let's say for example on this one, we the ARV, this is pretty close to making an offer, so we'll go ahead and make this offer. Let's say we didn't want to make this offer at all for whatever reason, that maybe it's a scrape or something. And then this one, let's say the ARV is lower than our list price, so we're not going to offer on that. So on this one, we color code these. So we got our color codes in our sheet. So offers made. So uh, back to this one, you can do this in this spreadsheet or whatever, but um, I think what would that color be? It's kind of a pink. So this would be like focus on. So this would be like offer made, something like that, right? And then the other ones are just dead. We don't need to mark the other ones as dead, or we don't need to mark any of these other ones. But this is kind of our color code. So when we are done making the offers, we'll go ahead and we'll copy and we'll paste this into our main sheet. Okay. I use this a lot, and you probably I'm just deleting this top row. You're probably using this a lot as well. So if you come across a property that maybe is refreshed or whatever, and it pops back up into the new listings, but you're pretty sure that you've already done the research on that property and determined some kind of ARV on it, you don't want to redo that work. It's already in our database. You can go in here and see that you've already done the work on it. So like on this one, you've already determined that the ARV was 410, doesn't really work. You might want to take another quick look at it. This one over here, let's say was scrape. Um, Anyways, you get the idea. So this is kind of our master sheet that we use. This is what I log in to see what has been done for the day, what I need to follow up on. It's kind of my follow-up system. With that said, I know we're trying to create some kind of follow-up system on this, really staying on top of these offers and making sure that we're communicating with the agents. Um, and I think the easiest way is just to use the notes. So if we need to follow up with an offer, um, then let's just mark it up as just put first make it a date. So let's say we want to follow up with this offer tomorrow, 4/29/2021 follow up. Let's say for example in this one we're close on price, close on price. So I'm not spelling very well today, but you get the point. So then we can just go in and we can just sort this data every day to see what we need to follow up on if we want to. So, but that's if it has a date on there, we'll just follow up with it, and then when we're done with the notes, we'll just create a new note and get rid of this. If it is accepted by somebody else, we'll just delete the note, say offers accepted or whatever, and move on. So that's it. So we just want to make sure that we're copy and pasting the offers that we made into the master database so we can really stay on top of these. I'm going to really try to go through like these emails and just kind of go through the feedback and really dig in deep on these offers to see what we need to do to adjust to get where we need to get our offers in line with something that will work. So hopefully that makes sense. So hit me back with any questions.